And the rain is really reaching a lot more of San Diego, but the brunt of it has really been focused farther to the north of us, where we expected it to be, but it's still coming. This is such a slow-moving storm system. We've been talking about that since last week. So as you're looking at the rainfall totals farther to the south here in San Diego, I mean, Lindbergh Field has picked up a few hundredths of an inch. Then you go farther to the north, you're looking at Riverside, LA counties. There are areas that have picked up almost 10 inches of rainfall already in just the last 24 hours. Widespread totals of 4 to 7 inches. The highest total for us here is over 3.5 inches at San Onofre. So the North County coast in particular has really been where this storm system has been focused all day, but it's finally moving towards the south. You can see the raindrops coming down on our One Columbia Place sky cam. All right, just about 15 minutes ago, I was showing you that band of heavier rain that was going to be pushing on shore, and now it is pushing on shore. So there's the atmospheric river that we are tracking. It's reaching more of San Diego right now, and it is going to continue to move south as we head through the rest of the night. The showers are coming in from the south towards the north, but the whole system is moving south. So we are going to see more of that widespread rain as we head into tonight, into tomorrow morning. So if you're sitting there thinking, where's this rain been? It's coming. It's really been a slow moving system, which we've been talking about how slow moving it is. It's really going to determine when we get that rain, and it just has held off for quite a while. Widespread visibility of 1 to 3 miles right now. So we are dealing with some very poor visibility as people are heading home for the commute. Drive slowly as you're going out there. It's also pretty chilly, but not cold enough for snow. Mount Laguna, Palomar, we're looking at rain. The best chance for you for snow is going to be as we head into maybe Wednesday night, Thursday and Friday, because yes, we are going to be seeing more precipitation through that time stretch. Tomorrow, temperatures are going to be in the 50s for most of the county, 40s in our mountain areas, still rain in our mountains. And as I put our 10 News Futurecast into play, that rain is going to continue to push into our county as we head into tonight. I think the worst of it is actually going to be late tonight. After about 11 o'clock, midnight, it's going to become a lot more steady and heavier. We also have the possibility of thunderstorms. That threat for thunderstorms goes all the way through tomorrow. Okay, like I did in the last half hour, I'm going to pop up the longer range model so that we can show you farther out. So this is Tuesday morning. Periods of heavy rain, that is fairly steady. So steady rain with periods of heavy rain, I should say, will continue through lunchtime tomorrow. But keep in mind, this is a very slow moving storm. This timeline could get updated if it decides to move even slower than it's moving right now. Expect periods of rain will continue into later in the day on Tuesday. This is at 5:30, but not as widespread. But periods of heavy rain are going to continue late Tuesday night into Wednesday. So as I mentioned, we are going to see that possibility of lower snow levels heading into Wednesday. Snow levels right now are around 6,500 feet, 7,000 feet, really high. Mount Laguna, Palomar Mountain, looks like our snow levels are going to reach you by Wednesday, potentially as early as Wednesday morning. And then that rain and snow will continue through the day on Wednesday, but it will be more spotty in nature, not as widespread. All right, I thought it was important to show you this again. So areas to the north where they're seeing inches of rainfall already are in that high risk for excessive rainfall today. The North County for us is in that moderate threat. Heading into tomorrow, we're going to be in that slight to marginal. Most of that rain is going to be continuing through Wednesday, but as you can kind of see, each day gets a little bit better. But the worst of it is yet to come for us here in San Diego. Temperatures are going to be in the 50s and 60s through the weekend for the coast and inland neighborhoods, but we finally dry out this weekend. This weekend is trending dry. Maybe a slight chance for a few showers by Saturday morning or into Saturday morning. Snow levels down to around 4,500 feet on Wednesday, and they stay pretty steadily there. Julian sits at 4,200 feet, so not likely to see snow, but we'll track that, and we'll also see more rain in the deserts.